Hello everyone! We are now going to learn about a package called logger. Then we're gonna check the text for errors inside the text form field. And after that, we are going to upload data from the context section to the Firestore database. First, I would like to give you an example that will help you understand why it's so important to use the logger package. Let's say we are using the initState function and we are running the stream article function by calling it within the initState. We printed the value of title on the console for testing purposes. Now, let's think that we're working on a very big project and there are thousands of lines printed on the console for testing purposes. Moreover, some of the lines are printing really delicate information that is now accessible to the users. Even if we try to remove all of the lines containing the sensitive data, we might mistakenly keep one or two of them. And note that if they were printed on the console, the hackers would be able to get our information very easily and exploit it for malicious purposes. Remember that you cannot remove all of the print lines as they are needed to detect errors while adding new features to the app. It was just an example. To solve the problem, let me present to you an industry solution that is the package called logger. Whenever we use the logger to print data on the console, it ensures that the data is printed only when we run the app in debug mode. As you remember, the print statements are going to be printed in release mode as well as in debug mode. The app that the user will have access to will run only in release mode. So when somebody uses our app in release mode, they will not be able to see any printed data on the console. This is another small step towards making the app more secure. And that's why I'm gonna copy the logger package right now. Open the pubspec.yaml file and paste it here. I have to hit pubget to download the package. Let's go ahead and see the docs, as we need to know how we can start using the logger. So, as you can see, it's extremely simple to use. We're just gonna create an instance of logger, and then we will be able to put whatever we have to print inside the logger.d. I am going to copy these lines now and then paste them here. Let me import the package and remove this line. Then replace print with logger.d. Finally, let me run it and wait for the application to load. It's gonna take a while. Cool, let's navigate to the blog page and open the console. Now, when you look at the console, I'm sure you can notice that the data has been printed differently. And that's also something that Logger does. It organizes data